Welcome to my channel, guys. Please feel free to subscribe and like the video. Today I'm cooking chicken wings. So I will wash my chicken wings and clean them, and then I'm using the following spices: turmeric, all pepper seasoning, chicken seasoning, white pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can use as many spices as you like, but these are the ones I'm using. I'm going to mix the spices together. Mix the spices together, and then I'm going to pour these spices onto my chicken wings. So once the spices are mixed through, I'm going to bring the chicken wings. I am adding a teaspoon of mustard, Dijon mustard, and then I'm going to add my spices, my mixed spices. For the spices, I'm using a tablespoon of each spice. So now, using some gloves, I'm going to mix through the Dijon mustard and the spices and make sure the chicken is well coated. Massage everything together. Once everything is mixed through, I'm going to place the chicken wings in a oven baking tray. Feel free to marinate your chicken wings for about an hour or two, but for this recipe I didn't marinate because I was running late. Just place your chicken wings in a baking tray like this. For these chicken wings, I'm cooking for three people, two kids and one adult. And then in the oven for 30 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to add now I'm going to add honey, and then brush the honey onto the chicken wings. Yeah, so I've baked the chicken wings for about 20 minutes, and then I'm now adding honey, just brushing honey onto the chicken wings, and then flip the sides and coat the honey on the other side again. Now I'm flipping the sides to, and then I'll do the same with the other side of the chicken wings. Coat the chicken wings with honey. I'm just squeezing the honey, and then brush it with a brush. Once this is done, I'm going to put in the oven again and bake for another 15 minutes. So this is 220 degrees, a fan forced oven. 220 degrees in a fan forced oven. And this is how it looks after baking for an extra 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is a quick recipe that you can make during the week. Thank you. Bye.